Hello everyone, my name is Hayden Franciscus and I don't have a working video camera, so I hope you can bear with me on my focal species PowerPoint voiceover. For my project, I chose to focus on the species Urtica dioica. It is commonly known as nettle leaf, common nettle, and stinging nettle, and is in the family Urticaceae. This species has been split up into 6 different subspecies, 5 of which are known to sting and cause an annoying itchy rash. The sting that it gives off is caused by modified trichomes on the leaves and stem, which act like hypodermic needles, injecting a chemical cocktail into your skin when touched. Neurotransmitters such as histamine, acetylcholine, and serotonin cause inflammation and pain, while formic, tartaric, and oxalic acids are thought to extend the pain duration. Stinging nettle is a perennial flowering plant that blooms in the summer months. This plant is mostly dioecious, meaning that there are separate male and female plants, yet some subspecies such as Gracilis are monoecious. Nettle outcrosses by wind pollination and produces a large amount of pollen and high number of seeds. For example, a study by Hyde in 1959 found that the amount of nettle pollen present in the air in the United Kingdom was close to levels of grass pollen and was most likely a significant cause of seasonal allergies. Once the seed is established and developed, this plant produces a rhizome, which is a modified underground stem that keeps the plant alive and gives the opportunity for full regrowth if the shoots are destroyed. And although not many animals eat it, nettle is actually an exclusive larval food for several species of butterfly and moths. Stinging nettle has been called a universal follower of man and is native to the cool temperate parts of the world such as Europe, Asia, Northern Africa, and Western North America, yet has been introduced in abundance elsewhere. In Canada and the United States, for example, it can be found in every province and state except for Hawaii. It thrives in a wide range of habitats, most commonly as an understory species in riparian communities, but has been found in marshes, meadows, pastures, roadsides, and other disturbed areas that are high in nutrients, annual rainfall, and sunlight. Since it is so successful, it has been perceived as an invasive species in many areas and is a nuisance to many people due to its prolonged sting. What many people don't realize, however, is that stinging nettle has many benefits to humans. Despite its bad rap, nettle has been used by humans for centuries. It could be traced back to the Roman Empire, where it was rubbed on soldiers' tired legs on long marches to stimulate blood circulation, and was common practice among people with rheumatism to flog themselves for similar effect. Nowadays, instead of flogging ourselves, it's usually taken as dried leaves, extracts, capsules, tablets, and tea, and has been used to cure or aid in many different common health ailments. For example, many people have said it's helped them in detoxifying the body, acting as a coagulant, soothing cramps and bloating, improving blood circulation, acting as a diuretic, slowing the onset of osteoporosis, opening the respiratory pathways, promoting hair growth, and reducing the prostate. These benefits are probably due to the wide variety of vitamins and minerals, which include A, B1, B2, C, K, as well as copper, manganese, calcium, and iron, to name a few. This plant also has economic value as well. It contains what are known as bast fibers, which can be retted and made into linens. In World War I, when the German military experienced a cotton shortage, they actually used stinging nettle to make their uniforms. It also has one of the highest chlorophyll contents in the plant kingdom and can be effectively used as a green dye.